I'm the band in a show about a man holding hands with his wife on a therapist's couch with his face to the ground after fucking around countless nights. And there's this one episode, close-up cameras are showing him crying, his red head and his red eyes. I'm a band in a show about a boy being buried alive, from his head to his toes by a criminal, but with a sensitive soul and with a set of raccoon eyes. And there's this scene in the show when a hustler knows he's gonna die. The ground opens, he climbs inside, and as he speaks his last line, a thought falls from his mind. I pick it up right through the TV. Dancing in front of my eyes is a queen formed out of flowers with her eyes all gone.
Are we running toward our parking lot, like 6th line parking lot?
She rises up like a yawn, grips my heart like a claw, splits apart like a jaw, like an eye. And she asks me,
yeah, this is me, but I have no idea where we are.
So far from right, we're losing the fight, we're letting the light weaken its beam. Is there a hand to take hold of the scene? I wanna smile like a glistening shadow, kiss that's as sharp as a knife. The day expires and the trembling lips got something to put this kiss inside. I lift them up to you. I'd like to bear witness to a light that is fine and is filling the cryingest eyes. Grace in each face that is making the wasted its brokenest ones fairly fly. Love that is
lap 6, 9:42. Lap pace, 9:42.
And a beauty that
saw this movie called The Housemaid. It's really good, not as like a thriller, not a whodunit, just a thriller with Sydney Sweeney and Amanda Seyfried. Really good, well done movie. Yeah, the thriller. Yeah, worth watching. Oh yeah, yeah. I went from like the old X or the original one. Yeah, I did that one. That was good.
Morning.
Good morning. I often think that there should be people like that out there dispensing. Yeah. When the courts have failed you.
Sound too much. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this so that you understand what I'm talking about. Down there we have a plant that grows out in the woods and the fields. Looks something like a turnip green. Nearby called it poke salad.
He and Deb were married in real life while they were filming that as brother and sister. So think about that for a few minutes.
Go out in the evening and pick her a mess of it. Carry it home and cook it for supper. Because that's about all they had to eat.
Yeah.
They did all right. I'm down in Louisiana where the alligators grow so mean. There lived a girl that I swear to the world made the alligators look tame.
Oh, I thought you were gonna like
poke salad and poke Everybody said it was a shame, 'cause her mama was working on a chain gang. A mean, vicious woman. Every day for supper time, she'd go down by the truck patch and pick her mess of poke salad and carry it home in a tote sack. Poke salad, Annie. The gator's got your granny.
Up there will be
Chomp,
the...
chomp, chomp. Everybody said it was a shame, 'cause her mama was working on chain gang.
I think
A Richard spiteful, straight razor tote moment. Lord, I must pick my mess up.
you keep loading, I'm gonna go see.
Her daddy was lazy and no count, claimed he had a bad back. All her brothers were fit for was stealing watermelons out of my truck patch. Poke salad, Annie. The gator's got your granny. Ooh. Everybody said it was a shame, 'cause her mama was working on a chain gang.